In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional company profile using Canva. Whether you're a seasoned designer or a complete beginner, this guide will walk you through the process, highlighting the ease and flexibility that Canva offers. Let's dive in and get started on crafting an impressive profile for your company. First, start by opening Canva on your computer or device. If you're not yet familiar with Canva, it's an incredibly user-friendly and versatile design platform. Once you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the search bar at the top of the homepage. Here, you'll want to type in Professional Company Profile. This will prompt Canva to pull up a wide range of templates specifically designed for company profiles. Take a moment to browse through these options. You'll notice there's a variety of styles and layouts available, allowing you to choose one that best represents your company's identity and the message you want to convey. Feel free to select any template that grabs your attention. Remember, this is just your starting point. Once you've chosen a template that you like, click on it to open the editing interface. Now, you'll see the option to Customize Template. Click on this button, as it allows you to mold the existing layout according to your company's unique information and branding guidelines. Now that you're in the design workspace, the real fun begins. This is your opportunity to personalize the template. Start by changing the text. Highlight the existing text on the template and replace it with your company's name, mission statement, or any pertinent details you want to highlight. As you do this, keep in mind the tone and voice of your company. A well-thought-out text can make your profile resonate more with your target audience. In addition to text, Canva also makes it incredibly easy to change images. Simply click on any picture within the template that you want to replace. You can upload your own photos or explore Canva's library of stock images to find visuals that are more in line with your brand's theme. Images play a crucial role in how your profile is perceived, so take your time to choose ones that best reflect your company's personality and values. Once you're satisfied with how everything looks, and after giving everything a final check to ensure all the details are accurate, it's time to save your work. Look towards the upper right-hand corner of the screen where you'll find the Download button. By clicking this, you can choose your desired file format and resolution. After all your hard work, downloading your customized company profile marks the final step in bringing your design project to completion. And there you have it, a brand new professional company profile created on Canva. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Enjoy showcasing your company's unique story with your new profile.